My PC slows down when I use one or more applications on my PC. Let's see how to fix Windows 11 lagging and slow issues. First, go to Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Go to General and disable all options. Go to Speech and disable it. Now go to Inking and Typing Personalization and then disable it. Go to Diagnostics and Feedback and disable it. Go to Search Permissions and disable all options. Now select the unused service and disable it. Go to Personalization after disabling unused things. Go to Colors and disable transparency effects. Now go to the search bar and search for sysdm.cpl. Click Advanced. Go to Settings. Select Adjust for best performance. Select Show thumbnails instead of icons. Now select Smooth Edge of Screen Fonts. Then apply it. Now right-click on the Windows icon. Then go to Task Manager. Now go to Start Apps. Now disable third-party apps from here. Go to Settings again. Go to System. Click on OneDrive. Delete all extra folders. Now click on Installed Apps. Now select and uninstall unused apps. Go to Temporary Files. Now delete all temporary files. After doing all this, restart your PC. Hopefully, your Windows 11 lagging and slow problem will be resolved.